Lesson 5 find the quotient. Quotient يعني result of الdivision. هنا number 1 بيقولي find the result between two brackets 16 plus 20. الريزلت divided 6 equal what؟ أول حاجة أعمل الاديشن أو اللي between two brackets. يبقى 6 plus 0 equal 6 1 plus 2 equal 3. يبقى 36 divided by 4 equals what؟ A in table 4 equal 36. 4 by what equal 36؟ طبعا 4 by 9 يبقى الريزلت 9. 20 divided by 2 between two brackets multiply 4 يبقى أول حاجة اللي between ال brackets. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. طبعا 2 by 10 equals 20 يبقى result 10. 10 by 4 equals 40. اللي بعدها 18 minus between two brackets 24 divided by 3 يبقى اللي between ال brackets 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 3 by 8 equals 24. يبقى الريزلت اللي طلعت عندي هنا 18 minus ال 8 equals 8 minus 8 0 وال 1 تنزل زي ما هي يبقى 10. Put smaller than greater than or equal. في ال left hand side 50 divided by 5 وفي ال right hand side 40 divided by 4. أول حاجة 50 divided by 5 equals A. A in table 5 equals 50. 10. طب اللي في ال right 40 divided by 4. A in table 4 equal 40. 4 by what equal 40. 10 برضو يبقى هنا 10 وهنا 10 يبقى الساين equal. 10 equal ال 10. Put the sign equal. اللي بعدها 30 divided by 6 or 31 minus 27. طيب 30 divided by 6 equals A equal 5 لأن 6 by 5 equals 30. يبقى 31 minus 27 equals what؟ أول حاجة 1 minus 7 it cannot be. Put take 1 from ال 3 بقت 2 وال 1 بقت 11 يبقى 11 minus 7 equals 4 وال 2 minus 2 ب 0. طبعا ال 5 greater than 4 يبقى put the sign greater than. Answer the following questions. How many sevens are there in 35؟ في كام 7 في ال 35؟ يعني 35 متقسمة لكام 7؟ divided into how many 7؟ يبقى ايه؟ divide. 35 divide 7 equals 5. يبقى في عندي 5 sevens in a in 35. How many fours are there in 24؟ في عندي كام 4 في ال 24؟ ال 24 divided into how many fours؟ يبقى 24 divided by 4 equals 6. يبقى we have 6 fours in 24.